Hi guys, today I'm making the Kadai Paneer. For Kadai Paneer, I need some ingredients. I'm going to show you. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon butter chicken masala, 1 teaspoon Shai Paneer masala, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. I have half cup of yogurt, some cilantro, 2 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, 1 onion of bigger pieces, half green pepper and half red pepper and some homemade cheese that I made in the home. Now just I'm going to make a masala for the paneer. I put on the high heat and I'm going to add some oil. It's about 2 spoons of oil. I'm going to put the garlic and my ginger and I have to stir this well just for only for 1 minute. Let it little bit brown. Then I'm going to add my onion. Let it brown for 5 minutes. It has been 3 minutes. I'm going to add 1 spoon of hot water. I'm just covering this one for 3 more minutes. It's already 2 minutes. I'm going to check my onion a little bit because I have to stir this one. I don't want my onion get burned. I'm just add the salt, chili, turmeric powder, cumin, garam masala and coriander powder. Stir it well. I'm going to add the tomato. Just stir it well. I'm just add 2 spoons of water and stir again and cover it for 3 minutes. This masala take me at least 10 minutes to make it. So see now the color of the masala. Just like this you can mash the tomato. Now it is time to add the yogurt. Just cook it for 2 more minutes. See the oil is come out and I'm just leaving this masala to cool up for few minutes. I'm doing next process. I just put the pan on the high heat and I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil. Let it heat up the oil. My oil is heat up now. I have to put my cumin seeds. I'm going to put my onion. Just cook this onion for 2-3 minutes and let it get brown. I'm going to add my bell pepper. I'm going to add my cheese. I have to stir this properly for 2-3 minutes to get it brown. You see this is getting little bit brown and like a fried little bit. I'm going to add my chili, turmeric powder and little bit salt. I'm going to add my butter chicken masala. I'm going to add my Shai Paneer masala and just stir it. I just put the heat on the low. My masala is cooled down a little bit. I have to mash with the hand blender. See now this my masala is grind already. I'm going to transfer this in the paneer. Add little bit cilantro and stir it well. Without cover, I have to cook for 3 minutes. I'm just going to check for 1 minute. Okay, going to cover it for 2 minutes. I'm just going to transfer in the serving bowl. Kadai paneer is ready. I just put little bit cilantro.